Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this preserved gift. These are preserved flowers. These flowers are real. They've been treated, preserved, and they're going to last 3 to 5 years. Comes in this nice little glass angel. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. What is in here? This does come in all sorts of different colors and sizes as well. So if you're not thrilled with that, so let's take a closer look right over here. So this is exactly what they look like up close. The main flower right here is going to be roses right over here. So you can kind of see them straight up. You don't like these colors, they do have some different colors as well. So don't worry about that. This right over here, so this figurine is all one piece. So this does not pop out or anything like that. I actually like that because I don't know. It just leaves room for breaking stuff or, something to go wrong. So I do like the fact that it just stays like this. Also, if you kind of shake this a little bit, the flowers don't move at all. So they're in there really, really nice. And then we got a really nice decor on the top here. So we have this like little nice gold halo, and then the wings are done in gold as well. This is going to be great for anniversary gifts. I'm sorry, milestone events. Maybe you could even probably get a get well soon out of this one as well. It does come with this card right here. It says best wishes. I mean, that could be easily be swapped out if you're doing like an anniversary gift for something like this. And that's going to come in this box right over here. This is glass. I really don't have nails, but you can kind of hear it. And one of the best parts about this is if you go down here, this lights up. So if you turn that on just like that, now it lights up and you have a really nice piece right over here. Um, just like that. When it's lit up, you can kind of see it more in the back over here. And this could probably also be used as a nightlight, a really nice nightlight, right? Flowers as a nightlight could be a really great thing. And I just really love the colors on this. This is the color I decided to go with. Again, they do come in all sorts of different colors as well. This right over here is about 5.9 inches tall, and around is going to be about 8.86 inches. Another kind of thing I like about gifts like this is flowers don't last forever. This will last 3 to 5 years. It's a really nice piece. I was a little concerned when I first got this. Would it come packaged? Would it break in transit? Packages get kicked around all the time, but it came packaged in this right over here. So it was really, really tight. And I really appreciate that. Like at first I was kind of on the fence about this, but when it comes, that's another thing. It could be a little tight in the box right over here. So as soon as when you first get this, that's one thing I noticed right over here. Comes like that. You kind of have to really get in there and kind of pull it out. You don't want to be going like this since it is glass, but that's kind of how it was packaged. So that makes it really nice. I do like the fact here that this box is definitely giftable. You could throw a bow on top of here. You could throw this in a gift bag, whatever you want to do with it. But if you are looking for a great gift and don't want to just send flowers, rely on a florist or someone else to actually send good flowers. You don't know how to find one. And the maintenance on this, there is no maintenance, right? I don't have to water these flowers. I don't have to make sure they're in the sunlight. All I have to do is put this on display. And I also could turn the lights on or off depending. Just a really, really nice piece. Again, this is going to be great for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, anniversary, milestone events, just overall, really impressed with this. So if you're looking for a great gift, definitely check this out. Or even if you just want something nice for yourself to up the decor in your house, you'll absolutely love this.